Mark, good to see you in the daylight hours. It's been a feel-good couple weeks. I don't want to take anything away from it. It's been a tough year, so it's nice to see some pops. Sounds like you're not convinced that it's just all good news from here.
Well, that's right, Brian. And we've had some pops earlier. We had some in June, if you recall, and the market got a little bit ahead and the Fed took away the punch bowl. And they did it again in September, and going into October, we were unsure, but the market is rallying again. And yet inflation has not slowed down. We don't have a print yet that shows it's slowed, and we haven't had a change in tone or policy from the Fed. So there's a very good chance that this bit of euphoria may be tempered once again by the Scrooge mentality over at the Fed.
Well, okay, Scrooge mentality, but you have to admit they were the Scrooge McDuck a year ago with, like, you know, the jumping into the pool full of gold coins. You remember that, you know, cartoon? That's what they were doing last year. So is it a surprise to anybody that they're now Ebenezer Scrooge, you know, taking all those gold coins away? I mean, if this comes as a surprise to anybody, I don't know if they should be in the investing business.
Well, they're trying to fix a problem that they created. So your point is correct and well taken. And right now, all eyes are on the Fed. They really also should be on inflation. That's the dynamic duo driving the markets. Yes, we're looking at the dollar. We're looking at earnings. We're looking at this election cycle. But it comes down to, is inflation slowing? And until we get clarity on that, committing all your capital to your stock allocation, I think, is a bit premature. I do think, however, as you look out, stocks become more attractive. Look, a year ago in October, the market was at a 23 multiple. Now it's under 16. The roles have been reversed. So if you're looking longer term, this is a better valuation. I'm just saying, let's wait until we get a bit of clarity on those all-important inflation numbers.